You mean to tell me that you never had your eyes when you cried? Don't have regret as a man and pour wishes on the sky. Sometimes pretend and lie to yourself just to survive. And the niggas you hang out with like to collide, cause they been through what you been through. It makes it easy to vibe, and the things you go through kinda makes it easy to die. But don't give up now, open your mind and climb. Don't be afraid of the height, cause they won't see you when you down. I name myself wise for a reason, and I ain't spelling wise cause it got a different meaning. Wise is a man with knowledge that understand mistakes. My wise is mama just cook and I won't eat a thing, cause my little brother need a plate. I was forced to be a dummy, I was trying to say today I never cried to my mama. I was good at hiding pain, actually I was good at hella things, but ain't got time to explain. I think I will. Just follow me to a place you never be. Just follow me to a place you never be. I think I will. I think I will. Just follow me to a place you never be. Just follow me to a place you never be. You wanna fly with the birds, you wanna swim with the fishes, but you only tryna fit in. Never gonna make it cause your lack of ambition. I had a fear, been a feeling and feeling my mission. So if I pull up, would you get in? I pray to God for the Christians, I pray to Jehovah for the witness. The devil try to pull me close, but I say distance. And every time I speak, nobody try to take the time and listen. If this heathen start preaching and bleeding the blood of Jesus, you'll tell him that he deceiving and lying and speaking evil. For the friends who said I changed you right and I don't need you, I mean you can stay the same. You can stand for the pledge and you can pray for rain. I used to use God's name in vain. I used to think that it was his fault I was feeling pain. I used to blame him for a lot of things, but ain't got time to explain. I think I will. I think I will. Just follow me to a place you never be. Just follow me to a place you never be. I think I will. I think I will. Just follow me to a place you never be. Just follow me to a place you never be. Just follow me to a place you never be. Open up your dreams, stop begging and show no sympathy. I can make you simply free, give you words of encouragement. I can make you believe, I can give you what you need. I can tell you guys, I just can't tell if you can see. Cause you living how we living, how you expect to find peace when you swallowed up by the streets. Y'all like dogs fighting just to eat, but y'all don't wanna take the time and try to split the beef. Now tell me, do you ever hide your eyes when you cry? Pray to God every time you get the thought of suicide. Who am I? I'm the deepest thought in your mind when you think. I'm that fear in your heart when you can't swim and you sing. I'm that black boy with nappy hair that don't play. I kill master and then plan my escape. I'm wise to slave, don't lie to me. I'm wise to slave, don't lie to me. I think I will. I think I will. Just follow me to a place you never be. Just follow me to a place you never be.